Let me see what they're. Can't see through the mesh. They're little bird things. Some kind of little birds. Let me see. It's like a mansion to them. Where do you guys want?